Okay, the last pair of the day is the US dollar against Japanese yen for the 11th of February 2011. Just looking at on our CTC strategy template and 6 time frames. Just open up the daily now, and you can see, as I mentioned on the US dollar chief, is we've seen extensions to the upside. US dollar gaining a lot of strength against its pairs, and by doing so, trading well above the 50 period moving average, and also breaking this trend to the downside here quite clearly. Trading well above the 8300 mark. I said it was going to be its first benchmark during the course of yesterday's trading, and now it's testing the next one, which is here. Excuse me. Just around about the 12350, just below the 8350 mark. Okay, so could see a bit of consolidation. But the great thing about this is we're seeing higher highs, which is a positive sentiment for this pair. Broken well above the 50 period moving average, so we could see a bit of consolidation, then we could see further upside movement occurring for this. Ideally, our next big target would be the 84.40 mark, roughly on this pair. But intraday, we should be looking for further highs. If we can stay higher than this high at 83.35 during the course of today, we could see the US session taking this further. So 83.50. If I'm not mistaken, the high 83.35. So 83.35 is going to be our. There we go. If we can stay above this area at 83.35, I've got this on an hourly chart. We could see further extensions to the upside, primarily because it's broken above the previous day's trading range. Which would be a great, finding a lot of resistance here prior to it, now trading above it. Hoping to see a bounce and then further extensions to the upside on this pair. You can see our CTC strategy on all our smaller time frames is looking very, very positive. You look at the 30-minute, for example, beautiful extensions to the upside, higher swings, which is what you want to see in a uptrend. If we then we got that 80.35 I mentioned. You can see a prior resistance bounce. Now we're looking for possible support on this area, around this area, hopefully above 83.35 going into the latter part of today for further extensions. Failure to find support above here, would see the pair just simply fall over, and then we could see a retest of previous support and resistance here, roughly around about the 83.20 mark, for example. And failure to find anything above here, we could see another one 83.10, so quite stagnated. But once it's fallen through that, then we're looking way down here at 82.60 as our next target. Okay, so got to stay above 83.35 going into the US session to see further upside movements on this, or we could see a full break close lower, and we're looking at 83.20, 83.10, and 82.60 as our next targets. Hey guys, that's it for today, this week. I hope you had a fantastic trading week. Enjoy your weekend with family and friends, and I look forward to seeing you guys back again on Monday morning nice and early. Trade serenely.